Variables in Java. Java variables are containers for storing data values. In Java, there are different types of variables: string, integer, float, character, boolean. Like that double, that mean to store big floating point variables, and long for to store big integer values, big numbers, so and so. Here, declaring variables. Okay, you can declare without initializing a value, or without. It's up to the situation. That means sometimes you declare variable and initialize a value at the same time, and sometimes you won't. The default value will be initialized by itself. String variable. Mr. James Gosling is the inventor of Java technology. Trying to print his name in different ways. Yes, this is first thing. And character variable, you are creating a character, and character is p, and system.out.println. We are trying to print in different ways, available ways, and all the ways will help you in different situations. Boolean is true or false. It will help you in so many places in programming. All the variables are going to play, you know, everywhere in your coding, and Boolean is everywhere, true or false. Okay. So in Java, it's true or false, and you can use that. You're going to print it. Just print it, not going to use it here as it is used in real applications. Integer, here's integer is age is 19, and you're trying to print in different ways. And this is a locale. For example, applications are created for different locales. That means the people in US are going to use your application, or people in UK are going to use your application, or people in Italy are going to use your application. So whenever they are using application in their country, and with their language, there are a lot of facilities given to Java that they will see what in which way they are using. I mean, each and every country having different way of displaying things, but the same thing, but displaying in a different way and read in a different way. So the locale will help you to give produce or develop an application which is very user friendly. They can see their own language or own style wherever they live. But you're going to develop ones, but in various countries they will see in a different way. That's pretty cool. And long, it's a it's a example how we are printing long, and I'm creating a long variable, initializing at the when I'm defining, I'm initializing that, and then trying to print in different ways. Floating, for example, floating point. You will have a value, but in displaying, you can print only 2 decimal points or 3 decimal points or 4 according to your need. For billing, they ask only 2 usually. So sales bills only 2 points. According to your need, you can, if it is a scientific calculation, they will ask, okay, 5 points or 6 points or 8 points. So it varies. So according to your need, you can decide what to how many points you're going to display. Okay, and E is scientific notation. That's also a different way. Okay, when they're asking in scientific calculation, okay, display something which should be like this. So you will use the scientific notation format to show up how they want. Okay, it's double variable. It's somewhere else up. Okay. Yeah, it's double mean it's a big floating number. That's all. There is no much difference between float and double.